Welcome to our channel. If you like to support our channel, please share it with your friends. In addition, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to ensure that you always receive the most recent information from us. The new 4Runner is anticipated to be a tough and fashionable SUV with the highest level of craftsmanship and performance. Toyota is anticipated to considerably improve the aesthetic appeal of both the outside and interior. The 2024 Toyota 4Runner is expected to have better improvements, particularly to the external and interior cabins, according to several auto enthusiasts. Many people believe that both industries are outdated, particularly when contrasted to brand new SUVs. Along with redesigning the look and interior, new engines were also placed in the vehicle. Given that this is one of the heaviest and toughest midsize SUVs available, it would be too embarrassing to let current consumer perceptions of the vehicle's exterior shape future buyer evaluations. Toyota should be able to combine tough off-road performance with durable body design, a fashionable appearance, and comfortable interiors to improve the 4Runner's reputation. 2024 Toyota 4Runner exterior 2019 LED headlights are anticipated to be standard on the new 4Runner, with trim-specific features and specifications. For instance, the Pro will have TRD alloy wheels with Nitto Terra grappler tires and a Lunar Rock exterior color, while the Trail Edition will have a black outside emblem and dark gray 17-inch TRD alloy wheels. The new TNGA platform will be used by the new 4Runner. The Toyota New Global Architecture (TNGA) platform now supports Toyota cars. The full-size Land Cruiser and new Tundra are supported by a new body-on-frame truck variant called the TNGA-F. For the new 4Runner and the new Tacoma, smaller versions ought to be utilized. Toyota may decide to move the 4Runner's production, which is currently done in Japan, to America using the same platform. The Toyota 4Runner has 4 wheels. 2024 Toyota 4Runner interior Toyota's latest infotainment system, which debuted on the Lexus NX with an optional 14-inch touchscreen, should be adopted by the 4Runner. Toyota typically doesn't try to upsell customers with high-quality interior materials, but anticipates some small advancements to aid in fending off competitors. 2024 Toyota 4Runner engine. The Toyota 4Runner will probably continue to employ the same 4.0-liter V6 engine and 5-speed auto transmission in 2024. All-wheel, 4-wheel, and rear-wheel drive systems ought to all function properly with it. 2024 Toyota 4Runner price and release date. Regarding the price and release date, Toyota has not made any announcements. What we now have is purely conjecture and forecast. The base trim is anticipated to cost roughly $40,000, and availability is anticipated to start by the end of 2023. You'll have to wait for an official announcement from Toyota regarding the 2024 Toyota 4Runner.